Sunkko 737G tutorial. Install copper welding pins to fixed welding head. Turn on the power switch. We can adjust the welding pressure based on different thicknesses of nickel strip through the pressure knob. Adjusting output current. Setting pulse. Weld small battery pack with fixed welding head. The maximum welding rows could be 4. The spots are clean, reliable and elegant. Insert foot pedal. Welding battery pack with fixed welding head and foot pedal. Sunkko spot welders are easy to use.